Now I already have the Northwind database open from a previous video, and what I've done is I've gone back to my Start button and I've started Access again. So I've started Access twice, and so now I have another Access session sitting in front of me. In this particular Access session, I would like to create a blank database. So I have the Northwind database open and I have the blank database open. So you can have two databases open at the same time, you just have to open Access twice. To create a blank database, I'm just going to choose it from the startup screen. Blank database, and at this point it wants to know what do you want to call the database in the file name field, and using this button you can browse for a location to put the database. Now I'd like to browse and put the database just on my desktop so I can find it easily, and you need to choose somewhere where you can find it easily. And I want to call this database call tracking, and that's it. I don't want to call it call tracking 2, I just want to call it call tracking. It's going to be an ACCDB or an Access 2007-2016 database. So I'm going to click OK. And here it confirms my database will have the file name called tracking and it will reside on my desktop. So then I click Create. I immediately have a brand new database sitting in front of me, and this is reflected at the top here, the name and the location. And I have a new table called Table 1 sitting in my navigation pane and also looking at me here. I actually don't want the table 1, so I'm going to click this Close Table 1 button and close it. Now I'm in my database and I'm looking at my navigation pane, which is showing me all Access objects, and I have no objects in this database. It's just a blank canvas which we're going to work with.